Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of portable power with an in-depth review of the EcoFlow DELTA Pro Ultra. This powerhouse of a battery station promises to deliver top-notch performance, fast charging, and versatility for all your power needs, whether you're out in the wilderness, tailgating, or dealing with a power outage at home. We're going to break down its features, test its performance, and see if it truly lives up to the hype. So, if you're curious about whether this is the right power station for you, stick around because we've got all the details coming right up. The EcoFlow DELTA Pro Ultra is a high-capacity portable power station designed to provide reliable power for a variety of uses, from outdoor adventures to emergency backup at home. Here's a comprehensive analysis of its features, performance, ease of use, and value for money. Features: high capacity and expandability. Battery capacity. The DELTA Pro Ultra boasts a 3600 Wh capacity, which can be expanded up to 25 kWh with additional batteries and accessories. Output power. It delivers up to 3600 W of AC output, 7200 W surge, capable of powering heavy-duty appliances. Multiple output ports include 6 AC outlets, multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, a 12V carport, and DC 5521 outputs, making it versatile for various devices. Fast charging. AC charging can recharge from 0 to 100% in about 2.7 hours using standard wall outlets due to its extreme fast charging technology. Solar charging supports up to 1600 W solar input, making it efficient for off-grid use. EV station charging, unique feature allowing it to be charged at EV charging stations, adding flexibility. Smart features. EcoFlow app allows remote control and monitoring of the power station, providing insights on battery status, output usage, and charging efficiency. Smart generator integration can integrate with the EcoFlow Smart Generator for additional power support, ensuring continuous power supply during extended outages. Durability and design. Build quality, robust and durable design with a handle and wheels for easy transport. LCD screen, a bright and informative display showing key information such as battery percentage, input, output wattage, and time to full charge/discharge. Performance. Power output and efficiency. The DELTA Pro Ultra efficiently powers high-demand appliances like refrigerators, microwaves, and power tools without any hiccups. Its pure sine wave AC output ensures compatibility with sensitive electronics. Battery management. The built-in battery management system, BMS, optimizes battery performance, protects against overcharging, overheating, and ensures longevity. Charging speed. The fast charging capability significantly reduces downtime, making it one of the fastest in its class for recharging from multiple sources. Ease of use. Portability. Despite its high capacity, the design includes wheels and a telescoping handle, making it easier to move around compared to other heavy-duty power stations. User interface. The user-friendly LCD screen and EcoFlow app provide an intuitive way to monitor and control the power station. The wide range of output ports eliminates the need for multiple adapters and converters. Setup and operation. Plug-and-play setup with clear instructions for initial use. Easy integration with additional batteries and the EcoFlow Smart Generator, enhancing usability for extended applications. Value for money. Cost. The EcoFlow DELTA Pro Ultra is priced at the premium end of the market, reflecting its high capacity, advanced features, and robust performance. Comparative analysis. Compared to competitors, it offers superior battery capacity, faster charging, and more versatile output options. The expandability options and smart features add significant value, justifying the higher price point. Long-term investment. The durability, advanced battery management system, and expandability make it a long-term investment for users needing reliable and high-capacity portable power. Conclusion. The EcoFlow DELTA Pro Ultra stands out as a top-tier portable power station, offering exceptional capacity, fast charging, and versatile output options. Its smart features and robust design cater to both casual users and those with demanding power needs. While it comes with a higher price tag, the performance, ease of use, and potential for expandability provide excellent value for money. This makes it a highly recommended choice for anyone in need of a reliable, high-capacity portable power solution. Alright, folks, that's a wrap on our review of the EcoFlow DELTA Pro Ultra. It's clear that this portable power station is a game changer with its impressive capacity, rapid charging capabilities, and smart features. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a DIYer, or just someone who wants a reliable backup during power outages, the Delta Pro Ultra has got you covered. Sure, it's on the pricier side, but for the performance and peace of mind it offers, it's worth every penny. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and guides. Discover the detailed features of this product by clicking on the link in the description. You'll be amazed by its unique features. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.